Yo, what up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Damn. So today's going to be a bit tricky. Let's have a look at this. This is like the only level that I'm interested at this point. Wow, today's going to be chop suey. Look at this. It's going to be interesting with the it's just a crazy word just to even say government shutdown. We might get a lot of chop here. One sec. Yeah, so we've got no NFP tomorrow. I don't even know if we're going to have red folder news tonight either. Crazy. I think last time this happened was 2018. So we could just be consolidating for the day. I don't know. But there's no denying that this is probably like a decent level here. If we get a closure below this level, we can see. We can see how our price reacts. Very tricky though. Yeah, I have no idea what type of volume we're going to get today, but it could be choppy. It could be choppy. What are you on, Pez? What's NQ doing? NQ is like all-time high. Yeah. Shibby, thank you, meditation. Fuck. Meditation spitting bars. Meditation is spitting some bars. All right, man. Well, I'll have a look at this level. There's obviously a level up here as well if price wants to come up here. Again. How can I reach you, brother, after the stream? What up, Ray? Korskus? Princess? Yeah, gonna look at this level. What are that hour close like? Wow, look at these hour candles, you guys. Wick City and Chop City and Barcode City. Heart. What up, what up? Paulie D, what up, what up? Yeah. So no NFP tomorrow. Government shutdown. And no one really knows. I think it's probable that we could be choppy. But you just never know about the markets. You can never really predict how the market's going to be, right? Anytime you try to predict, it's just like you're typically wrong. Try to predict mass human psychology. Try to do that and see how it goes. 4 hour. 4x 4 hour. Did it break? Yeah, 4x 4 hour just made a bottom wick then. Because I had no bottom wick most of the day. Okay. So we have a bottom wick now. Jesus is reliable. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Why am I so stupid? I'm only $50 from passing and I take stupid trades, try pass it. Yeah, you're not stupid, bro. We've all done it. I've blown challenge accounts that were $50 away from passing. Yeah, we've all done it. Do you have any idea how the government shutdown will affect the market? I don't know. It's going to be hard. I could only assume choppiness. And if you look at the 1 hour, you can tell we're being really just chopping most of the day. And who knows how long this could last as well. meditation spray the market. What's about the government being shut down? I think it's essentially just literally means that a massive halt has been put on all like, I guess, financial distributions, or I don't know how best to even explain it, but all like essential work continues, but in terms of like the financial side of everything, it's kind of on hold. Yeah, the longest was 35 days. Ah, that's wild. Look at Naz. Yeah, I know Naz is all-time high type shit. Yeah. Not super interested in Naz. It's just kind of like small body candles. Very choppy. Yeah, I know. The word itself, government shutdown, sounds insane. So look at this. Massive drop down, now massive rejection back up. Jesus was reliable. No trading today? I mean, I'm interested. If we get a break above here, I'm interested personally. Unbelievable. Huge push back up.
Yeah, definitely sounds like
hey, stop.
Back up in a big way.
Bro, I'm not even talking to you.
Or just some...
Explain government shutdown in simple terms.
Sure. So, in really simple terms, a government shutdown is basically when the government doesn't have the legal funding it needs to keep running all of its normal operations. That usually happens if Congress and the president can't agree on a budget or a spending bill by a certain deadline. When that happens, a lot of government offices and services just pause or run on a skeleton crew until they figure it out.
Wow, wild stuff. It sounds like really catastrophic, to be honest. What app is that, Dan? No, I don't use Bookmap or anything like that. Jesus was reliable. Red flag. What's it called? Oh, red card. That's funny. Billions and billions of government shutdowns. NQ for today, it's just choppy. Looks like we're breaking above here. Yeah, I've found with NQ, if this breaks above this level, and I don't know, man. Maybe get interested. It's not the best idea though. Trust me. Matthew Mark looking young. NFP week. NFP's not on now because of the government shutdown. Bro, only so much light. Oh yeah, I got some lights and shit on, yeah. Just like we're being choppy, and I've found NQ it'll be choppy, and then you get one strong candle breakout, and it's typically a fake out. But I mean, it is all-time highs. What's the probability of it being able to hold all-time highs? I'm potentially interested. Haven't got my glasses on. What chart are we looking at? Come on, man. You gotta fix your eyes, man. Do some eye exercises. Because my eyes are cooked as well. Which type of trader are you? A zesty one. Your boys on the green teas. Damn, that's actually good. With a bit of oat milk in it. I mean, a bit of almond milk in it. Slither of almond. Yeah, man. Chop suey. So gold just massively push down, massively push up. Push a T. Hope it doesn't shut down for 30 days. Yeah, same. Bale Seal, Carolina. Believe on Jesus Christ and accept him as Savior and Lord. Otherwise, you will go to hell. Brother, so fucking intense about it. Believe in Jesus. Jesus was reliable. You back in Australia? Nah, I'm in BB land. Yeah, we've got the Forex Expo in 4 days. Fuck, I didn't even realize. Yeah, Forex Expo in 4 days. Who's coming to the Forex Expo in Dubai? I'm going to be there with a lot of other traders in a booth. And we're going to be chilling. We're going to have a mic. We're going to rap battle people. All right, so let's look at this as a break above. Like, it's very hectic. What does it look like on futures, actually? Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. It's not really doing it yet on futures. For Rooches. The same. What up? What up? Do you have discount? Maybe. I'll have a look in a bit. X, it's in the background here. See this symbol here in the background, X on TikTok? See there, MGC? That stands for gold. The Forex Expo, yeah, American government shut down. Wow, this is unbelievable. When I come to Dubai, I can meet you? Yeah, that's me, bro. W Bluey. Yes, bro. Jesus says, I'm the way, true, and life. And yeah, that's true. He does say that. What's the link to your mentor course? I mean, mentorship isn't really a course, but it's a mentorship. You just type Daniel Holmes Trades into Google. I've had it I've had like the ability to book a thing you haven't been able to do for a while, but yeah, anyone interested in mentorship, you should be able to like just book a wait list kind of thing. Oh, look at this, John. Historically, gold has rallied after a shutdown. That's interesting. Did you repaint your living room? Or is it just the sun? It's just the lights, my friend. NQ. NQ was reliable. I mean, do we want to take a risky as fuck trade on NQ? Sort of. If you take this trade, it's risky. Nikki was summoned. Daniel, Tradeovate create own prop firm. Wait, what? Tradeovate create own. Oh, Tradeovate have a prop firm now. Okay. Yeah, I'm live on YouTube, TikTok, TikTube. No stop loss, that's right. Yeah, I'll be looking to cut this quick if it fakes out. NQ was reliable. It looks pretty nice on the 4 hour, to be honest. It's too risky, man. Yeah, it's pretty risky. Yeah, you're right. Why is it risky? Just all-time highs. I mean, nah, it's not risky. It's just a trade. Just take it. Yeah, it's just a trade. All-time highs broke above. See if we can hold and push a little bit more. That's really just all it is. Buying into all-time highs is always risky. I mean, every trade's risky. Yeah, every trade's risky. Meet you at the bottom. Fair enough. So where can I put my stop? Yeah, I'll put my stop about there. A couple pips below. Yeah, I'm still really dumb with getting size right when with NQ. I just added a little bit more onto it. I'm shorty. No, don't. That means I'm wrong. That means I'm going to be wrong. Please, please. Yeah, gold's got no chill. Yeah, I'll see if we can get a bit of a pop on in. Quiz. Hey, haven't been on a live for a bit. What up, my dude? What is up? Oh, fuck. My eyes are already frizzling out. What's your rules to manage yourself? 2 a day. Keeps the fucking flu away, pretty much. Yeah, 2 losses a day keep the tilt away. Is typically how I run it. How do you stay in a trade and find myself cutting when I'm 200-300? I guess it's just time, man. Time and confidence and just the willingness to hold it. Yeah, it's just something you got to learn to do. Oh, you're locked out, Pez? Yeah, didn't want to play ball. I may re-enter. I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, NQ's a dog. Sometimes the reason why I was hesitant at the start is when you get a random strong candle breakout, it's typically a fake out. But the fact that it's all-time high, it's like, oh, there's relative strength if it's got the ability to hold all-time high. I'll give it one more crack if it flips. Which time frame? Just all of them. Just use all of them. I lost 1,700 yesterday. Triple the size. Yeah, fuck you, NQ. You're a bitch. You're on some bitch shit. What do you mean by that, Mo? I mean, we could just, yeah, like I said at the start stream, we could just get chop sueyed all day for whoever knows how long until this government shutdown shit remains. Yeah, for sure, Jack. No one knows, Mo. If people knew that, then we'd all be rich. It's already in place, Matt. Brother, pray gold takes me out of BE. Brother, if you're in drawdown, you're praying, you probably should have already cut the position. Denial Homes. Fucking hell, bro. Oh man. Denial Homes. That's fucked. It will crash in an hour and a half. Be careful. Damn, we've got a wizard over here. Yeah, look at this. This is just very like up and down. Yeah, we've got to be cautious today, man. Did you see Tori's 200k drawdown? That's... Yeah. No, I didn't. Yeah, NQ's been some super bitch about it. So this is something that I would never take. If this wasn't all-time highs, I would never have taken this trade. But the fact that it was all-time highs, like, if we can hold up all-time highs now, like there's obviously enough buyers in the market. But we'll see if it can close up here, small body red, I'll re-enter. Random question, do you find it distracting when others put their trades in your chat? Nah, I'm so used to it now. I've been streaming for over a year now. Just used to whatever. It's fine. Every time I enter a trade, this chat gets spammed with, I'm taking the opposite. Like, it's just normal. Yeah, that's right, Hassan. Yep. Wow, Goldilocks. Crazy stuff. Did you create ICT? Don't long today. I have 200 NQ ready to go short. Yeah, I'll just do whatever the market gives me, really. I'm not trying to predict anything. Did you see Raj's video on YouTube, Instagram? No, I didn't. No. Can you share how to get back on your feet after a loss? I'm taking it psychologically. I mean, it's just something you're going to have to accept eventually, that it's literally part of the game. The best thing is just to minimize your losses as much as you can and maximize your profits. Not even that, you just got to get used to it. You just got to get used to it. And if you have a proven system, you know you always come out on top. Maybe the trades that aren't A++ size down a little bit. And the ones that are good, bet on yourself. Yeah, I'm in queuing tonight, Mitch. Yep. Steady, bro. Yeah, if we can hold up here like this, I'll re-enter. How did you learn to stick to your rules? I keep breaking them in order to win back. Oh man, it was extremely difficult. It's one of the hardest parts of trading. Yeah. It's one of the hardest parts of trading, but eventually, like if you can stick in the game and just keep trying to stick to your rules, eventually you'll become that guy. Because after a while, like after so long, you just have the data on like, if you break your rules, you just know how it ends up. It ends up really bad for you. You know what I mean? It never plays out in your favor. And if it does, somehow God just takes that money out of your hands. It's not your money. Hey, can you please shout out my course? I'm a really good trader, but I have no customers. Yo, everyone. Gold smashing back down. What broke you with? I'm with Tora markets. This is Tora here. Tory trades markets. Yeah, this is crazy chop, man. Could be dangerous day to trade. When do you take profit? I have a problem always trying to... I mean, you already have the take profits marked out before you enter the trade. Yeah, you already have that stuff predetermined. Yeah, NQ failed massively. Gold's massively pushing back down. So all the guys that impulse sold here got cooked. All the guys that impulse bought here got cooked. Everyone's just getting cooked today. Just be glad that you're not getting cooked today. That's the biggest thing. So many accounts got blown here today on gold. It's not even funny. It's literally not even funny. Denial Helms, can you shout out my fake Daniel? Oh, man. Don't trade gold today? Yeah, I know, bro. It's pretty hectic. Yeah, no casino stream tomorrow, unfortunately. I mean, I still want to trade. We'll see. I do still want to trade. That's the issue. Took a L down 370. Nice. Join the club. It's very risky trade. Yeah, it is pretty risky today. It is. I'll admit that. But I'm a risk taker. What do you mean? You don't like this hour structure? You mustn't like this hour structure or this 15-minute structure. You're a hater. Yeah, gold broke back into the range. NQ. Ordinary. W. Yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, if you take one of these types of trades, only two things can happen, and unfortunately the one thing happened that we didn't want. I thought breaking above all-time highs, it should be enough to hold it there. Like, I typically wouldn't take this trade if it wasn't all-time highs, but yeah, whatever. Maybe I should have played it a bit more safe. But the thing is, if I took the entry at the break of the high, it was a bit too far away at that point. I wasn't that comfortable with that. Head and shoulders. How many years it take you to be really consistent trading? Probably 2. Really, Nikki? He your lives to Jesus Christ. I do like this level down here. Who's interested in an impulse sell? Nah, it's too choppy on all the time frames. If I had other confluences on the other time frames, I'd have a sell stop sitting down here. Are you really, Ty? This is a Raja kind of trade. I don't like... The issue is the hour and the 4 hour looks... Yeah. The issue is the hour and the 4 hour look like doo-doo. 30-minute could drop. Yeah. Yeah, it's usually the case when you take shitty trades. Is that here? I don't know why I took that sell in the first place. Then you find yourself in some bullshit trade that you're like, oh man, what the fuck? Any advice for a trader that struggles to hold trade? Yeah, you just got to stop being a bitch about it. Like, the reality is, who cares if you lose? You know what I mean? Like, it's just going to be time in the hot seat. And if you've got a good proven system, you already know where you're meant to be taking your partials. Before you enter the trade, you have to make the decision, like the commitment with yourself. You have to ask yourself, am I willing to hold this or whatever? Like, think about it before you get in the trade. Put yourself in the hot seat visually, like visualize the trade. Visualize it kind of having some issues, like getting through this section, and you know, maybe it rejects back up. What are you going to do then? MC, what up? What up? Oh, fuck. Wow, look at this. Thank you. Let me guess, it's smashed up. No. Ah, 30-minute failed. Yeah, Rad. Chop suey as. Poo poo. I lost 10k yesterday because of revenge trading. Yeah. Yep. Very common, bro. So now, Sandra, now the thing is, what are you going to do about it? You're going to learn from it? Are you going to set new rules for yourself? Are you going to maybe jump into prop firm accounts so you don't have to use real money? Are you going to say, maybe this trading thing does take longer than I think? And I'm not going to put my life savings into it. Someone DM'd me yesterday and said, hey bro, have you got any jobs available? My girlfriend put our $400,000 of savings into you know, day trading crypto and lost it all. But she's a really hard worker and we're getting back into it, and you know, I know she can figure it out. I'm like, hey bro, you're both fucking crazy people, right? It doesn't make sense. I'm like, no, you don't know how to trade. Why are you trying to day trade crypto and put your life savings into it? You're gambling. Go to the casino. And why are you letting your girlfriend do all this shit? Like, why are you saying your girlfriend's a really hard worker? Like, you should be the one doing the shit. You doing the orb setup, brother? I'm not doing the orb setup.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs.
I'm not doing the orb setup. Did you already post the pod? Nah, I didn't post the pod. I posted a clip with the pod with Pez. Post a pip with the pod Pez. But the full pod isn't going to be dropping for probably a week. Yeah, crazy Pez story. Yeah, you're going to be looking for another trade here. We'll see what happens. Yeah, and Q's very... yeah, these markets are very yucky, let's be honest. What is Bitcoin doing in terms of volume and stuff? Yeah, same thing. Very low volume on Bitcoin. Copper. Oh, copper's punching through. No, Martin. Who's Pez? Yeah, I don't know, some guy. Some young guy. What up, Mohammed? Tory trades would enter this saying trendline breakout. Tory trades can... Then would your strategy... I don't know. Legit. Mr. Steely Girl. Do you think trading news is gambling? Well, think about it like this. What's the definition of gambling? Like a sudden, unpredictable event is going to happen and you're going to put money on the table. It's just logic. What app was that? Tori broke every... Man, I'll tell you one thing. Tori, the way her marketing and her social media strategy is, you guys know way too much about her. And she's doing a brilliant job with her social media strategy. You guys know way too much. Which is props to her for the way she's doing shit. Fuck, the volume's been down too low. Damn it. If you zoomed in the 5-minute time frame, do you think you could get more opportunities? No. No, it's a thing of illusion, because then you go, well, why not go to the 1 minute? You can see more opportunities. Why not the 30 second? What about the 2 second, the microsecond, the micro penis? Like there's no end by that point. You just keep going down and down. Bro, do you still go to the gym often? Does this answer your question? But yeah, I'm not what I used to be. I used to be on like all the steroids and shit. I don't do that anymore. I haven't done that for like 3-4 years. 4 years, I think it is. Yeah, about 4 and a bit years ago. 4 or 5 years ago, I quit. 4.5 years ago, I quit steroids after 7 years of consistent use. They still don't know the Anutrade strat. Legit, you guys sleeping on anal trades. Woo! $132,000 a day. Yeah. All I needed was 37 charts on 4 different screens. When I joined the call for the pod, Dan nerfed me at the door because my shades were too... Yeah, it's true. I remember seeing you at the gym ages ago. Oh, really? Damn, I wonder if I was all geared up back then. Bros on that TRT? Nah, I'm not at all. No, I'm not. I mean, I wouldn't mind it maybe in my 40s, but not now. I'm not on anything. What'd you trade? Just got took a little buy position there on NQ before. Nothing hectic. Had a pretty tight stop. What made you give up steroids? I mean, I wanted to give up steroids for a long time, but it was just super tied to my identity. If I quit steroids, then who the fuck am I, kind of thing. And when I eventually did quit steroids, I went through that crisis massively. I was always like the jack shredder dude that competed in bodybuilding and was a bodybuilding coach and stuff like that. Then when I stopped it all, I was like, well, who the fuck am I? Then I realized feminism was a problem. Have you ever tried the cream of some young guy? Some young guy? What roids did you take? All of them. Yeah, everything. All of them. Everything. Did you roid rage? No, I never roid raged. I think I had other side effects, very minimal though. I was very lucky with sides. All right, let's have a look at this. Go. I wanted to kind of be a part of an impulse sell here. Do I? No, I don't. Who's gonna make the children go? I will test your strategy. Looks very simple. Yeah, good luck, bro. Like, I mean, you're gonna get you get so far with it, but you won't get far. How many things have you done? What do you mean things? Did you get emotional? I mean, yes. Like coming off, Sarah was like one of the hardest things ever. But while you're on them, yeah, you just kind of fog brain. Like I didn't even thinking back then. I'm like, it just seems like another dimension, to be honest. It really seems like another dimension. It'd be very difficult to operate at the highest level in all departments if you're addicted to steroids. How are you going to be like the best business person, the best lover, friend, follower of Jesus? You're not going to be shit. You're not going to be shit. Yeah, you just type my name into Daniel Holmes Trades, Martin into Google, Daniel Holmes Trades, and your trades. I don't know, man. NQ just was being really mean. I don't know if I want to play ball again. I'll never be like those other traders. No, Nikki, that's like more like when you come off. Yeah, when you come off steroids after many years of abuse, your body just kind of freaks the fuck out and goes, what the hell? I have to start producing hormones by myself. And then estrogen, your female hormone, goes through the roof. So but basically you become a chick for a while. Start doing your nails. Oh my God, babe. Have you heard Susie's pregnant? And then if you can get through that, you come out the other side back as a stoic god. Tricky day here, man. Yeah. Not Susie. Yeah, hair loss from steroids, definitely. Yep. I mean, I was always really good with side effects. If I ever did it now, I just know I would get cooked with side effects. But back then, I was fine for some reason. And I did everything. Noted. I will not take steroids. Yeah, good decision. All right, Gold, what do you got for us, my dude? I mean, if it closes green, the next one closes below. I'm interested in sells. For sure. Look at this 1 hour chart. Fuck me. Ooey. Nah. I've just traded whatever, gold and stuff. Aim for what, Martin? What are your thoughts on creatine? I think creatine's pretty good, yeah. Yeah, I don't take it, but from what I've heard and what I understand, it's pretty good. I mean, if you consider taking steroids, you just got to, you've basically got to admit that you're deciding to take DRA. Like you're making the decision to be a DRA addict. Go for it. Typically works out well for them guys. Yep, nothing here just yet. Fuck, we'll just be patient. If it's closed below, I'm interested, but it's going to be tough, man. Kashi takes trend. I thought so, being a 9 foot tall, 400 kilogram behemoth. Take a creatine and pre-workout and just chilling at home. You know how it is. What's your thought on peptides? I think peptides are okay if you do the right ones and whatever. How much you make this month? Fucking a lot. A lot. I don't know about this month, but... Oh yeah, the previous month, yes, because it's second today. A lot for me. A lot subjective, I guess. Kashi's 4'6". Are you trading tomorrow? Yeah, I'll trade tomorrow. LT, probably ate shit for 2 years, man. Nah, I call cap on that, Reese. There's a massive difference between blast and trend, mass, Winnie, etc., and just TRT for health people who don't realize it can make massive difference, small dose. I disagree because, okay, let's say, okay, if you're actually in your 40s to 50s and you decide to go on TRT just to level your levels out, but you've already tried all other things. You've tried clean eating, you tried regular exercise, all this shit, you actually have a medical condition, then yes. But anyone outside of that, which is a 0.01% of people, which is 99% of people, is they're just doing it because they want a bit more tests and the benefits that come with that, which is okay. But then anytime you're relying on something, it's pretty tough, man. Because what about it if you don't have access to that, you're fucked. Glicks, start on Google. Just start Googling the basics. Yeah, I'm definitely watching for sure. Olympia. I think we've got UFC this weekend as well. Yeah. Two stop loss and you're completely done? Yeah. Or if you see an A+ setup and you take one more? Nah. Because the reality is it's an A+ setup until you take it and then it loses. And it's like, oh, well, fuck. Now I just took 3 losses. A+ setups still lose. Yeah. Nice, Nikki. Good job. Damn, who else? Some people would have taken sells here. Hi, Daniel. Is London about market dominance and liquidity a key part of trading? No, I don't. I'm trade profitably, and I don't know what fucking market dominatrix is or liquidity. Yeah, no, you should be good to go. Wow. Be honest. Who's been chopped up today? Who's been chop suey today? Because if you have, there's nothing fucking to be shameful about that, man. You guys have? Yeah. Yep. There's no shame in it today, I would say. It's been very tricky. Yeah, nice, Ariel. One mil a test, 1 mil a deca, brother. Jump off. There's no positive. There's 0 positive that's going to come from that. 0. Please tell me 1 positive that's going to come from it. Dude, I'm going to be jacked though. For who? Chicks don't like it. Like, oh, look at that dude's massive muscles that look unnatural. Clearly shows that he's addicted to something. You know what I mean? His skin's all fucking jacked up and pimply in the back. Sign me up. Dudes do steroids because they want to get jacked because they think chicks are going to be into it. Girls are interested in someone that's just like fit and healthy and got their shit together. How's it go? I can confirm. Thank you. There we go. I mean, I used to be completely delusional. I literally used to think on a subconscious level, the bigger I got, the more attractive I was and the better it just was, period. Now I look back, I'm like, oh, hey, bro, you were massively, stupidly massive. Like, it didn't even make sense. Stupid. You just look like someone on steroids. And at the time, I thought I looked sick. Little do I know, feminism was a problem. Oh my god. Sorry, one sec. Okay, I just want to show this video of me when I was jacked up. But this looks different because I was like getting ready for a bodybuilding competition. But imagine like the off-season version of this where you're just a big fucking water balloon. This is like a lean version. But it's still like, hey bro, you're just on steroids. Like you're just a dude on steroids type shit. Anyway, whatever. Nice, Pez. But yeah, it looked alright there because again, you're just like lean, getting ready for a bodybuilding competition. But like the off-season version of like a big steroid dude is not good. Anyway, what's Gold got for us? Anything happening here or not? I'm just gonna come on stream and get stung for one little rat scalp and that's it. Yeah, but a little bit of test E is still like way normal than normal dose, human body dose. Wow, look, so this hour candle's closing in 4 minutes. Dope structure. W hourly structure. Wow. No, Rio, it doesn't work like that. Hopefully it doesn't look like the New York session. I wouldn't be surprised if it does. I would not be surprised if it does. If you can help me, that's really appreciated. Cool. I would not be surprised, man. Accepting signals. So yeah, man, I guess we'll hang out and see. Hong hong hang hong yo ho. Nah, red folder won't be happening for a while since government shutdown. I wonder how like the market will react around NFP news drop as well. Like even though the actual, you know, event, like the actual numbers aren't going to be coming out. I wonder if there's still like participants in the market anticipating something. So will it still move the market dramatically or anything? Hope you can help. Hope you can help recover my. No one can help. Only you can help you, bro. No one's ever going to be able to do anything except you. That's the issue. That's the thing about life I've found. Only you will be able to do the things. Fully. Top step, brother. Thanks, JC. Yeah, I know. I've seen that clip as well. Wow, look at gold. Tug of war. You versus you, yeah. Alright, so the hour 30 and 15 closure. W. You guys don't know the fucking reverse pennant.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches.
Bitcoin going up? Yeah, Bitcoin's going up, I think.
Regret. Only smile on my own. Just know I overcame the hardest thing in my life that I've ever known. It's hard to justify unless you walk the path that I've strolled.
Fully loose unit.
You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day you're
Crazy.
and everyone will tell you to
Cheek City.
stop being this way.
Che-
Fucking hair screaming.
Cheeks. Oh, fuck.
It's not that easy. It's not okay. And I know you didn't plan this route today.
Yeah, what can we trade you guys?
For love. But got thrown out to the wolves.
Bitcoin's absolutely dead.
Never was enough.
What up, Ken? Where do you think gold will peak today? It could have already peaked. No one knows. The crazy thing about trading is you never know what's going to happen next. Ever. You can just only kind of sort of try and figure it out based on certain things. I do. Man, if we get a closure below here, it's the only chance of anything in life at this point. NQ is a problem. NQ is probably going to leave. Let's not watch it. There's no point. Not to sound overconfident, but I know exactly what's going to happen at all times. No one knows, Hassan. Guys, it's urgent. Close your eyes and buy gold right now, someone said. It's urgent. And then when gold moves up to here, they say, I told you, I told you. And key broke above? Yeah, it's fine. I can't do anything unless it closes. Yeah, typical. I was even thinking about doing an impulse buy. But just with today's randomness, it's just not worth it. I mean, well, there was a perfect opportunity for this to do it when it broke out and we took buys before, but for whatever reason, just wasn't going to do it then. I said, nah, fuck that. I'm just going to make it way more unpredictable. Legit. See what Shem's fucking Lean Hogs is doing. Oh, Lean Hogs is melting. Wow. Lean Hogs is on the fucking drawdown. Ain't nobody trying to get hogged up. Ain't nobody trying to get hog-tied. Look at gold, man. What are we doing, really? Like, why are we here? Here we go. TikTok is the worst fucking streaming app, bro. That guy said buy gold. So I'll see how this candle closes, but yeah, not much happening here. Not much happening here, you guys. Not much at all. Fighting a losing battle. There's a high probability we're fighting a losing battle. See a bear flag at the 5 minute, bro. At this point, I'm willing to take any signals. Yeah, I'm willing. I'm taking applications. Yeah, it's always. So there's two things that can happen when you lose a trade. You lose a trade and you go, oh, that sucks. Then you lose a trade and then the trade goes in the direction you wanted it to go, and you go, oh, that double sucks. So that's always cool. We've got 6 minutes on this candle. Full port sells lean hog. You might be right at this stage. HE. Wow, it hasn't nudged. Big Rome, what up, what up? Oh, Hogs isn't open. Yeah, wow, Hogs isn't open. They haven't let the gates open yet. Big Romy. Romy. Who let the hogs out? Yeah. Asif from Dubai, what up, what up? Bonkers. Oh, fuck off, Lucy in it. Oh, Sigma Wolf. Staying out of the markets today? Yeah, good idea. It's going to be a good idea. I mean, would it be the worst thing to walk away from the markets for a day or two? You know what I mean? Could you do that? Are we all addicts? Are we all fucking addicts? You know what I mean? Bro, but legit. Until what time you live today? Potentially 3 minutes left. Perry! That's so fucked. Oh, you're a Sigma. Tory drop trend line signal. My name's Brett and I'm an addict. I'm Burn. FTMO top leaderboard. Because we need a signal legit. Wait, Nay, is that you in the mentorship? Maybe I'm tripping. I'm using a trendline strat. Leave Burn alone is the best. No, I totally think he's really good as well. It's just funny. Just pretend to be him. Why don't you go live in New York? I do in the mentorship, not on YouTube. But I don't know if I will today by the looks of things. Oh, wow, Rome. Nice. Denial Helms uses Trent Stratton lean hogs. Not clickbait. This is not a clickbait headline. Denial. I mean, these fucking 1 minute candles must just be printed side by side at this point. Pretty much. Daily candles just chilling. Why don't you trade US 30? I mean, what is US 30 symbol? Bro, you literally could scan it. Oh, it's a Dow. Wow, well, I'm glad I'm not fucking trading it. Look at it. Maybe I should start looking at the Dow a bit more. Does the Dow have volume outside of New York? Doesn't look very price action friendly. Maybe I need to look at it a bit more. There's a big gap. Yeah, tough one, chat. Poo here. I mean, it's honestly probably not going to be the worst idea to stay away from the market for a day or two. Be very careful, I'd say. As you can see, look at the 1 hour price action. There is no buyers. There's no clear direction. So you could get chopped up very easily today. But appreciate you guys showing up. Nothing happening here. So we'll call it a day and just come back tomorrow, see if anything can happen. But yeah, appreciate you guys, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Love you, gang. Peace out.